Meaning of impracticality.
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 Impracticality. The term impracticality refers to the state or quality of being impractical, which means not suited for or capable of practical use. It implies that something is unrealistic, unfeasible, or inefficient in terms of achieving a particular goal or objective. In practical terms, the concept of impracticality may manifest in various forms, such as a product design that is too complex to manufacture, a business idea that lacks market demand, or a project plan that exceeds available resources. Ultimately, the consequences of impracticality can be significant, resulting in wasted time, resources, and opportunities.